नमस्कार सांग मैंने जय जगन्नाथ शुभ सकाळ आज गोटे फ्रेश ब्लॉग रे आपन स्वागत करुच्ची। आज हूँ गुरु दिवस आज कॉलेज रे गुरु दिवस हम आठी जाकि आपको देखी आ गला वर्ष भी होता है मुझे मिशुनी ये फास्ट थर जाऊँगी चलतु जी देखा साग मैंने आसी कॉलेज पहुँचली एवं देखा आपको स्टार्टिंग रू
second parent. On behalf of every teacher, we extend our sincere gratitude to all the teachers helping us really and transforming us for their wisdom, faith, and all the human talents. I would also request all the other teachers to kindly serve the throughout our we also had the throughout the entire throughout the teaching change of not just the art body but also the skill of and that's the foundation of the environment. We also have our some of the others who are around the still smaller. We also second president of India and It is therefore with great privilege and gratitude that I thank all the teachers, because you are all the teachers who have participated from the past to continue the project. And we are we want to the next
Teachers Day, a day dedicated to the hardship, hard work, effort, passion of our teachers in our lives. Teachers Day is celebrated on 5th September to mark the birthday of our second president and our first vice president of India, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was a great scholar and he had a great passion for teaching. He was also awarded with Bharat Ratna. Teachers are like candles who light up the path of knowledge in our lives. They are like guiding lights who guide us. They are like supporting pillars in building our lives. I also like to thank my parents who are my first mentor in my life. Today what I am for my teachers and my parents. Teachers light up their life and show us the right path how to build our successful life. Teachers Day is not only celebrated in India but also worldwide. Teachers Day is dedicated to the teachers who give their efforts for building our life as a successful person and we can lead a better and for prosperous life. Teachers Day is officially announced, World Teachers Day is officially announced by UNESCO on 5th October. And last but not the least, I feel grateful to speak some few lines in front of all my teachers and my colleagues and my loving brothers and sisters. With this is Lisa from B1 Second signing off.
Respected all faculty members and my officers and staff. Above all, the future teachers, those who are sitting here, I express my happiest regards to them on their job. Those who are my beloved students. Really, you know why this 5th September is being celebrated as Guru Divas or Agri Teachers Day. All of us know regarding the day. But in India, I told me that we are going one class in Mahavir Institute of Engineering Technology. We are both are area manager here. One is TCS, one is Cognizant. They were there. So that means my chest was actual my chest is 34 or 36. But during that period, it expanded to 56. Do you know that is the Dakshina of a teacher? Is not it? So, you see, that is my proudness, that is my Dakshina. When a student will go up, that is the credit of the teacher. But it is an honest request. I don't want to feel your time. It's going through one thing I tell you, please remember your teachers. Pay the highest esteem and highest regards to them. But nowadays, the defiance is a crime or a defiance is an ignorance. Defiance is an ignorance. Do you know what is defiance? You know what is defiance? Suppose one teacher is giving you one task or while is asking you to do something, but you will not listen, you will not do. That is known as defiance. That means the order of the teacher who does not carry it, that is known as defiance. Defiance is ignorance. So ignorance has no teacher, or ignorance cannot be a teacher, or he has no teacher.
About the profession now, see, I tell you the future that you are going to face, maybe after 2-3 years, not much more. You will see that the entire industry is coming to manufacturing unit. I am talking about the academic industry as well, research industry also. So all the industries, they look after the skilled personnel. Please pay attention to my statement what I am saying. You read it later. See, no one is going, of course, your degree certificate, whether you have obtained A grade, B grade, that's okay. Knowledge has to be there. But at the same time, if you have skill, better skill, then only you would be chosen to get a job of your choice. That is the reason you have to work hard, not only gain knowledge, but at the same time you have to involve yourself into the practical classes what we are conducting. Truly speaking, I am very disappointed. As sir said, I forgot about Dakshina, who Dakshina you have to pay. And I want to ask my Guru Dakshina today. Can you promise me? Yes or no? Yes. No? You know what I want from you? I want to ask 100%. I see that all my dear students have come to the class and will say, perhaps that will be the most favorite moment in my life. I remember my past days. We are in 1983 when I did my graduation. I started in 1999 and graduated in 1988. We were all on board. Those days, the teacher and student relationship was very excellent and promising also. You can't believe it. We didn't even feel like watching English in the class because our teachers, we wanted to see our teachers every day in the class. And the teachers are also so cooperative that if you have doubts at any stage of your studies, they used to call you personally and clear your doubts. But as the days goes on, and those days, we didn't have this mobile phone. We had not seen what is a mobile phone. Even I had not seen what is a television. Fortunately, I did my B.Pharm from Bombay College of Pharmacy or Bombay University. I graduated from that college. Those days, I was selected as a state nominee by the state government, and I went there. I was very fortunate to find a teacher. Some of the names I tell you. Dr. H.P. Kinnis was the principal. He was the student of Dr. William Foy. You know William Foy? You might be studying in medical chemistry. So Dr. Kinnis was the student of Dr. William Foy, and he was the principal. Then Dr. H.L. Bhalla. He was a professor of pharmaceutical. Dr. Pulkar in pharmacology. So many big people those days. I got the opportunity to interact with the teachers. And the teachers were also kind of me, since I was a very student from research. Selected for that institution. That time I went to the selection. Not my training. We have so many people important in the studies. We wanted to know how kids are moved back from once you graduate by degree. But you cannot see very now. So your motto, your aim should be, you must be able to be identified within that crowd. You place yourself in such a position that crowd also people can identify. So that is how it depends on the effort. And you need to really become how different I am from others. How different I am from others. You know, you have a very, very peaceful life. You can see very beautiful. And for sure, by the time you graduate and look for a job, I think that the PhD minimum qualification, you take a note of it. The PhD is the minimum qualification to get a job in either academics, whether in a private college, or in university, or even R&D sectors in industries. Without PhD, you will be, they will bargain, they will try to exploit you, they will try to utilize you. So you prepare yourself in such a way that wherever you stand and you are behind, you will see that lots of jobs are waiting for you and there are all colleges to come and join our institution. But if you do not have enough qualification, enough skill and wisdom, then for sure you will be running after the job and people will start exploiting. This much will you take into it, or I will pay this much wisdom, like that. So always try to gain some extra knowledge, extra certification courses. So you have to have that much of spirit within you, that much of success, that much of effort. You must be able to provide, you must be able to move forward. Then only you can live a very bright future. So this is what I want to say. I heard that you have so many cultural programs also you have arranged. And you should have started it bit early so that you have got enough time to spend some more time with you by giving deliberating those speeches or giving presentations. But I think that it is something of love. Most of you might be feeling very also. So I don't want to take much of your time. Please come to the class regularly. Please attend the practical classes. Because practical classes where you can increase your skill, practical skill. And if you don't have skills, people will not accept you for a job. That is good. Thank you very much.
Honorable Chairman, respected Director Sir, my teacher, and other teachers, and colleagues, and my dear students. On these auspicious we celebrate the tribute to the teachers, those who are sacrificed their life for enlightening the career and future of the students. The Teachers' Day in India is celebrated since from 1962 by request of former President Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, who was born in 1888 and died in 1975, who became the first Vice President and second President in India, who is a eminent professor in philosophy. He has serviced in so many
dignitary universities like Calcutta University, Oxford University. He was also the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University and Banaras Hindu University. He was also nominated for the Nobel Prize in Literature. He was also awarded by the British Parliament and the Naidu. He is a strong believer in knowledge and education. And in 1962, when that my teacher chairman told that when some students went to there and to wish their birthday, he told that celebrate my day as a teacher, because he had started his career as a teacher. The Teachers' Day is not only celebrated in India, it is celebrated throughout the world, and which is also recognized by the in China it is 10th September, in Russia it is 5th October, and in America it is the 1st October. Throughout the world it is 10th. The teacher and student relationship, since from ancient time, from Vedic time also, it was observed in Indian culture. In that time, it was telling Guru Shishya. Guru means we are not teacher students. Previously, it was Guru Shishya. Guru was white. And if you see that our Bhagavad Gita, it has described the definition of Guru. Akhanda mandala karam vyastam jena characharam kapparam vasitam jena tasmai Sri Guru. Ajnanam timilandhasya jnananjana sarakaya chakshur vilitam jena tasmai Sri Guru. And he is the Guru who enlightened your life, discovered your life from the darkness. अज्ञान रूपक अंधकार में आलोक रूपक ज्ञान तुम प्रदान करो से होते गुरु न खाइ के क्लास में टीचर पढ़ले से हुआ जो भी तुमने शिखिलो से अब तुम 24 गुरु ग्रहण 24 तुम लाइफ से सेवा करते गुरु है गुरु प्रथम गुरु है फर्स्ट गुरु इज योर फादर थ्री हम जहां पहले तीन पिता पिता धर्म पिता स्वर्ग पिता ही परम तप पिता ही भीतर मात्र देव के संपन्न ये पिता फर्स्ट पिता है ये जन्म सेकंड पिता है ये तुमको टीचर ये पढ़े मेरे सेकंड द्वितीय पिता है ये जो अनुभव ये तुमको अनुभव तो वैदिक ने हम जानी से लाइफ गुरु स्पेशल पोजीशन दिया गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरु देव महेश्वर गुरु साक्षात परम ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश्वर गॉड generator operator and destructor what the definition is generator operator and destructor generator है ब्रह्मा गुरु ब्रह्मा operator गुरु विष्णु विष्णु का operator गुरुदेव महेश्वर महेश्वर इनका देशक इसका सिंबल ऑफ हिंदू
you know the formula, you can add the knowledge, you must find, you must find it is suspended and formally like reward something. That means teacher and students should have worked together to make you forget, to make every member go the right by you. You have to stand there and especially will build up a relation. I think our students, because I have visited number of institutions in Odisha and my students or our students are more knowledgeable and they are respect, what respect they are rendering to any person, either the faculty, staff members, that is my pleasure, that is excellent. Thank you, students. God bless you.
This is what this is what as an English teacher, English teacher, as also principal man has given me an opportunity to teach you about my skills. I will do so many things in the class. So here I am not your time. I am here to entertain you through my songs and not to speak. But I will like to lead some quotes and elaborate some poems dedicated to teachers. Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Director Sir, Principal Sir, Dean Sir, Baner Sir, Professors, Associate Professors, Assistant Professors, Lecturers, Officials, my dear students. First I will express my thanks to this great soul, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Every India must be made of discerning people, cherishing the values of true civilization, peace, order, goodwill. Between man and man, love for truth, quest of beauty, and hatred of evil. ମୁଁ ଡକ୍ଟର ସର୍ବପଲ୍ଲୀ ରାଧାକୃଷ୍ଣଙ୍କର ଏଇ ବ୍ୟୁଟିଫୁଲ୍ କୋର୍ସ ଗୁଡ଼ା ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ କହିବି ଜଷ୍ଟ ଯେଉଁଟାକି କହିବ ଦ ଟିଚରର ହ୍ୟାଟ୍ସ R.L. Stevenson ଯାହା ଟିଚରଙ୍କ ଉପରେ କହିଛନ୍ତି ସେ ଗୋଟେ ଦୁଇଟା ପୋଏମ୍ ଆଉ ମୋ ପୋଏମ୍ ଟିଚରର କଥା ପ୍ରିଭିଉ କରିବି ବିଫୋର୍ our cultural session. Whenever men love religion, song darkness, praise virtue, hate weakness, kindly share beauty. Whenever minds are sensitive, hearts generous, there is freedom. This is another quote by in particular quotes. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan to pick up valuable quotes. दोस्ता कोर्स को आर्मन जहाँ कोई ले सीखते हमें तो अनंत पुलिस मूवमेंट में बस सीधे अच्छा कॉन्सेप्ट from there from their speed exactly reflected on the quotes that I have collected the quotes of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan I have collected from the net. Let me
ସାଙ୍ଗମାନେ ଏବେ ସବୁ ସଇଲା, ଏବେ ସିଧା ରୁମ୍କୁ ଆସିଲି। ଆଉ ସେଠି ତ ସବୁ ସାର୍ମାନେ ସ୍ପିଚ୍ ଦେଲେ, ତାପରେ କଲଚରାଲ୍ ପ୍ରୋଗ୍ରାମ୍ ବି ଦେଖେଇଲି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ। ତାପରେ ସେଠି ଯେଉଁ ଖାଇବା ହେଲା, ଖାଇବାର ଭିଡ଼ିଓଟା ପସିବଲ୍ ହେଲାନି। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ସେଠି କହିଲାଙ୍କୁ ବି ସେମାନେ ମନା କଲେ ନାହିଁ ଆଲାଉ କରିବେନି। ଆଉ ସେଥିପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ତାର ଗୋଟେ ଲାଷ୍ଟକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍କ୍ରିନ୍‌ସଟ୍‌ଟା ଦେଇଦେବି ଆଉ। ଆଉ ଖାଇବା ଆଜି କରିଥିଲେ ଲଞ୍ଚରେ ଭାତ, ଡାଲି, ପୋଟଳ ତରକାରୀ, ସରି ପୋଟଳ କଷା, ତାପରେ ପନିର ମଟର ତରକାରୀ, ତାପରେ ଚିପ୍ସ, କ୍ଷୀରି କରିଥିଲେ। ଆଉ ସବୁର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ଠିକ୍‌ଠାକ୍‌ରେ ଅଛି। ଆଉ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ ପଛଥରକ ଯେମିତି କ୍ଷୀରି ଯେମିତି ଥିଲା, ଏଥରକ ଟିକେ ଚେଞ୍ଜେସ୍ ଅଛି। ମାନେ ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ମିଠା, ବେଶୀ ମିଠା ଲାଗିଲାନି, ହେଲେ ଚଳିବ। ତଥାପି କ୍ଷୀରିର ଟେଷ୍ଟ ଭଲ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ମୋତେ ଟିକେ ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ମଟର ପନିର ତରକାରୀ ଆଉ ଯିଏ ଚାହିଁବ ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ ବି ମାଗିକି ଖାଇପାରିବ। ଆଉ ମୁଁ ବି ସେଇଆ କଲି, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ଟାଇମ୍ ବି ମାଗିକି ଖାଇଲି। କହିଲେ ତ ସବୁ ଠିକ୍‌ଠାକ୍ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ବେଶୀ ଯେଉଁଟା କହୁଥିଲି କି ମୋତେ ମଟର ପନିର ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା। ଆଉ ପଛଥର ଯେତେବେଳେ ଲ୍ୟାବ୍ ଓପନିଂ ହେଇଥିଲା, ସେତେବେଳେ ମୁଁ କହୁଥିଲି କି ଆମ୍ବୁଲ ବେସର ବେଶୀ ଭଲ ହେଇଥିଲା। କ୍ଷୀରି ଟେଷ୍ଟ ବି ଠିକ୍ ଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଥର ଟିକେ କ୍ଷୀରିର ମିଠା ଟିକେ କମ୍ ଅଛି ଆଉ କହିବାକୁ ଗଲେ। ଆଉ ହେଲେ ଚଳିବ ତଥାପି। ଆଉ କ୍ୟାଣ୍ଟିନ୍‌ରେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିବେ ରେଗୁଲାର ଖାଇବା ତ କହିପାରିବିନି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଏଠି ତ ଫେଷ୍ଟିଭାଲ୍ ଟାଇମ୍‌ରେ ତ କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଭଲ ଖାଇବା ପିଇବା କରୁଛନ୍ତି, ଅଛି ଠିକ୍‌ଠାକ୍ ସବୁ। ଆଉ ଆଶା କରୁଛି କି ଆଜିର ବ୍ଲଗ୍‌ଟି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗିଥିବ। ଫେର୍ ଦେଖା ହେବା ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନେକ୍ସଟ ନୂଆ ବ୍ଲଗ୍‌ରେ। ଆଉ ଆଗକୁ ତ ଗଣେଶ ପୂଜା ଆସୁଛି, ସେତେବେଳେ ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ନୂଆ ବ୍ଲଗ୍‌ରେ ଦେଖା ହେବା ଆଉ ହଁ, ଲାଇକ୍, ସେୟାର ଆଉ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ କରିବାକୁ ଭୁଲିବେନି। ରହୁଛି, ନମସ୍କାର, ଜୟ ଜଗନ୍ନାଥ।